I was driving down the street the other day and I saw the scooter right in front of me, and I just had to take this picture. The guy was riding the scooter with his legs fully opened, his feet fully open to the sides, kind of like how you're seeing it right now, how I'm riding. It just looks ridiculous, doesn't it? But you know, guys, this is not so much about the looks. If you are just starting to ride motorcycles, it's really important for you to have proper balance and proper body positioning. Make sure that your legs are always touching, hugging the body of your motorcycle, and also for your foot. You want to make sure that you are as close as possible and not prone to the sides. If you have your legs open and your foot open, a couple of things could happen when you're riding down in the twisties on a curve. You can scrape your foot on the road, and who knows what could happen, right? Also, it's really bad for balance. You'll have a much better chance of balancing your bike if you are hugging the motorcycle. Just remember this, guys. I can't remember. I just can't believe why this is not mentioned enough in the internet. Well, this is all I have for today. Take care. See you guys again. Bye.